Hey guys, it's Kylie, ang babaeng pinagpala ng kafreshan. Welcome back to my channel, and for today, I'll be showing you how I catfish people and show you this look. Kasi marami nagtatanong, and I've been using this look in a while now, and a lot of you are asking me how I do it. And talagang, this is the very sultry yet the sweet girl, but yet ready to go on an everyday adventure and punta ng island afterwards. Ganun mga levels tong look na to. It's it's a very versatile look. You can use it for your everyday look, and you can also use it for your night look. I will also be showing you beginner's makeup kit. So, di ba nakakagulat na you can achieve this look in a beginner's makeup kit? Super nakakagulat, di ba? Pero super easy na talaga ngayon. Pwede ka na mag COD, cash on delivery. Pwede ka nang makakuha mo lang siya sa drugstore. Lahat ng mga products dito. And below 500 pesos lang po ang gagamitin natin. Bawal mag-exceed na matulungan natin yung girls na nag-start pa lang ng kanilang beginner's makeup kit. And yun yung gusto kong ma-achieve nyo is yung matutunan yung makakuha ng mga affordable yet gumaganang mga products. Especially on my part. Actually, this video is only to help but not to show you guys na kasi mayaman siya, ganyan. Hindi po, lahat po ng mga ginagamit ko most of the time are all from the drugstore or padala lang po sa akin. So, ngayon, gusto ko mapakita kung saan ako nagsimula at yung mga ginagamit ko ngayon, pwede nyo rin gamitin pang simula ng makeup kit nyo. And, okay, if you guys wanna watch me do this look and show you my beginner's makeup kit, keep on watching! Okay, the product that I have here right now is the Sunny's Face Life Brown Skinny Pencil. This is in the shade Ash Brown. And alongside with that, pagkatapos ko nang magkilay, I'll be topping it off with the Sunny's Face Life Brown. This is the grooming gel in the shade Ash Brown. Super, I recommend this only because super kayang-kaya mo talagang mag-draw ng hair-like strokes. It's very natural. It's very blendable. You can easily work with it. Hindi mo na kailangan pang ng super kapal na kilay na nakakatakot na mukha kang aswang. This one, it gives you the really natural, yet you can still look Insta-worthy. So, I super love it talaga right now. This is my current favorite brow product. So I've done my brows, guys. Mag-start na ulit ako with the Sunny's Face Grooming Brow Gel. So guys, the Sunny's Face Life Brow Skinny Pencil is only 295 pesos. Hindi pa aabot ng 500 pesos. And the Sunny's Face Grooming Brow Gel is only 345 pesos. Next up is skin. I will be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Pore Eraser. This is only 299 pesos. It really hides my pores. And talagang it smoothens your skin, making it baby-like. Para naman masabi naman niyang baby kanya. Gusto mo yun? Next up is foundation. I'll be using either two of the things that I have here right now. Actually, palitan lang yan ginagamit ko. If I have an event, I use the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. That's if I have an event or I want to look extra snatched. I use that one. But if I'm going for an everyday look, I use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. It's either the two talaga. This is two of my favorites. The Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation is 499 pesos. Isang piso na lang, 500 na siya, girl. But eto naman yun kapag gusto kong maging extra. Hindi mo naman kailangan gamitin to pag gusto mo mag-full pack. Another option for cheaper price is the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Foundation, which is only 399 pesos. Diba? You can get it in the drugstore. Hindi mo na kailangan kumuha ng kung anik-anik na sobrang mahal na foundation, girl. Hindi tayo aabot ng 1K sa video na to. Ayoko yung mga prices sa video na to is lagpas 500. Ayoko nun. I wanna be like affordable yet we're super extra. For the sake of this look, kasi gusto ko maging extra, I'll be using the Maybelline Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation. I will be using the shade Natural Beige. Favorite ko dito is talagang kahit hindi ako mag-color correct, na hide niya talaga yung mga spots na may redness ako. Meron pa kasi ako mga redness sa skin ko na hindi ko na maiwasan. Only because I'm just human. Na-hide niya to lahat. Even yung mga dati kong pag-ibig, pati yung mga past relationships ko, pati mga breakups ko, na-hide talaga ng foundation. At even yung stress ko na inaabot ko everyday. As in, hindi ka magmumukhang stress. Magmumukha kang tao. We're done with foundation. I have here 2 concealers with me also. Also from Maybelline. I think I love Maybelline so much for my skin. Hindi ko alam kung bakit. But, Maybelline sponsor me. Okay, I have here the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer. This is 399 pesos. This is what I use if I want a full coverage concealer, as in ready to go out, ready to snatch the game. This is what you need. But if you're going for an everyday look, sweet lang, walang nilalavan, ito yun. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. By the way, this is 199 pesos lang, the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer. We shall move on with contour kasi I have liquid contour with me. This is my favorite liquid contour. This is the Colorette Cosmetics contour tint. This is in the shade Jordan. So here, yan. Ang gusto ko lang dito sa product na to, this is only 249 pesos. Isipin mo, pwede ka na mag-Shopee or Lazada, diretso sa house mo. Meron ka ng contour tint na Jordan. You can use this in 6 ways. You can use it for your contours of forehead, sa cheeks. You can use it as a lipstick, eyeshadow. You can use it as nose contour. And in short, pwede mo siya iligo and you will be fine. So I only use 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. But once again, guys, if you think it's makapal sa camera, in person, mas makapal pa. Joke. Kasi we're gonna put powder on top of it pa. So, hindi siya masyadong makikita kapag napatungan mo na siya ng powder. So, don't judge if kamukha ko na si Kim K. So, yan guys. For powder, I will be using the Maybelline White Super Fresh. Guys, so ayan, I will be moving on sa eyes. I will be using the same thing for my eyes. I will be using the Colorette Cosmetics contour tint for my eyes. So yun guys, I'll be using 1 dot lang of the Colorette Cosmetics contour tint. Right there. And then I'll just blend with the fluffy brush. And then, that's where I build my eyeshadow. Ano lang tayo, start with small dots lang para we shall make sure na hindi ganun kadami yung malagay natin. I only put this just to have dimension for my eyes. Punta naman ako sa aking lower lash line and getting myself a bit of a fluffy brush for that para lang mag-blend out yung color. Next up is blush. This is the Maybelline Fit Me blush. Ito yung shade na Rose. Is only 299 pesos. What I usually do is I will focus on the apples of my cheeks for that very youthful look. And then, ang gagawin ko, actually, ginagawa ko rin tong eyeshadow para lang mag-blend in siya sa entire look ko. Very na siya. Malakas lang talaga maka-fresh. So, yan. I will start sa apples of my cheeks in circular motions. Actually, guys, alam mo, feeling ko na nakita ko tong shade na to. Ayan, kita nyo. Kaano niya, medyo ka-vibes niya si, NARS Orgasm. Talagang lakas niyang maka-fresh, youthful look lang. Ayan, After that, biniblend in ko rin siya sa aking eyeshadow. Yan. Para lang mag-balance out yung kanyang color. See? It makes it super natural. Almost, very sultry look. And yan, pinapaabot ko siya here. I know, guys, it's super crazy na I'm putting blush here, but I've learned that technique, I think, from Wayne Goss. He's this famous YouTuber that does, like, tricks for your makeup na talagang malakas, naka-fresh, and talagang yung mga tricks niya pang professional. Kaya gusto kong yung technique na yun, ma-share ko rin sa inyo. Next up is the eyeliner. I've been using eyeliner recently, siguro in the past few months. Actually, talaga, hindi ako mahilig mag-eyeliner dati. But since napansin ko, it makes my eyes look really small kapag hindi ako nag-eyeliner. So now I've been using eyeliner. And I have been super hyping up about the Careline Graphic Ink Liner. This is waterproof. And guys, only 170 pesos. As in, 190 pesos. Tapos ganyan siya kanipis. And you can like literally draw tiny lines with it. And so now that I'm done with my eyeliner, I will be using the Glad King Eyelash Curler. Nakuha ko to sa kanila. It's rose gold. It's only 150 pesos at Glad King. So next up is for my mascara. I will be using the Maybelline Total Temptation Waterproof Mascara. This is only 399 pesos. This makes my lashes super fluffy. Even yung bottom lashes, yung mahirap talaga siyang makita, especially if I put mascara on it kasi it's so thin talaga and parang wala ka ng pilik mata. And this is, it smells like coconut and talagang favorite ko to. Next up for lashes, I'll be using the Glad King 3D lashes. This is in the style X17. Ito talaga yung pinaka-affordable na lashes na nakita ko here in the market. It's around 250 pesos for 3 pairs already. And oh, buhay na buhay, babaihan lang. So by the way, meron ako hindi nasama sa options ko. I have here the Everblana Pro Play Palette Eyeshadow 16 color. And disclaimer lang, the shimmers here are not super duper bonggang-bongga, but for 189 pesos, di ba hindi po abot ng 200 sizzy? So talagang very affordable. So now we shall move on for my highlighter and lip. For highlighter, bago lang tong release. People who are starting out lang and talagang gustong mag-invest sa highlighter na tatagal and talagang ma-achieve yung look na gusto nilang magawa. So here is the Colorette Cosmetics Shimmer Tint. This is only 349 pesos. I have here my favorite shade. This is the shade Crystal Prism. Ito talaga yung makaka-achieve sa'yo ng wet look na gusto mong ma-achieve. Siya very damp, yet may circular drag motions. Para lang ma-blend out yung highlighter mo. Kita mo naman sa pick-up ng camera. Ang ganda ng glow nito sa'yo if you use this. Hey guys, okay. So for lips, I'll be using the BTLA Lip Gloss. Magugulat kayo sa presyo nito guys. Kasi this is a find. Talagang nagulat ako. Tsura niya nito girl. Kasi it's super cheap. Oh my gosh, ayan siya oh. Very, the usual component. But, it's only 129 pesos. So now we're done with this look and I'm super excited to share all of this to you guys kasi alam kong super hirap na hirap talaga yung ibang girls na makahanap ng beginner's makeup kit. And eto na yung final look ko for the beginner's makeup kit. And talagang ito yung on-the-go look ko talaga and super favorite ko talaga tong look. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Sana nakatulong ako sa inyo at makaisip kayo ng mga bagong susubukan yung makeup at idadagdag sa inyong makeup kit, especially if you're just beginning with makeup. And marami pong salamat sa panonood and I will see you on my next one. I hope I see you in my next video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, leave a like, leave a hate comment. Shut up. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video and I'll see you in my next one. Bye! Mwah.